Hello and welcome to Nolan's Groove. I'm your host, Nolan, and today we have two guests from the 34th Street Fashion Line here today. We have CEO Curtis and the designer Gage. Let's go talk to Curtis in the studio real quick. Hello, Curtis.
Hi.
How are you today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm pretty good, thank you. Today I'm just going to ask you a few questions and we're going to take it from there.
Cool.
So I'm really interested to know how you and Gage came together and started this.
We are a family friend, actually. He's a family friend of mine, and at a young age, I recognized his talent in fashion, and right away I knew that I had to work with him.
Do you have a personal story that you have for when you got into fashion yourself?
Well, I started wearing clothing around the age of 7, and after that, I fell in love immediately with clothing. They're a great way to express yourself. I think everybody needs a good pair of clothing and one that matches you and your personality.
I hear a lot about how 34th Street saved your life.
Yes.
Can you explain a little bit more into that?
Well, there was once a time where I was dying on the street to a serious case of the chicken pox, and their Gage was with a very serious antidote to cure me. And if it wasn't for him, then I would have died on that very day.
Who came up with the name for 34th Street?
The name, as with most creative aspects of 34th Street, was come up by Gage. He mostly does all of the creative work, including the fashion and names.
I'm gonna have to stop you there. When we come back, we're gonna take a look at some of Gage's fashion wear.
That sounds awesome.
I'm very excited to see it.
Should be fun.
He's a very interesting man. Don't you hate it when you're in an unpredictable scenario with nothing to solve it?
I'm Frank and you need this product in your life. Introducing the Magic Bag, the exciting new solution for all your ordinary needs. Just think of what you need, reach in, and pull it out.
I need a new mouse, it's not working. I need a new mouse.
Warning, we are not responsible for any damages caused by Magic Bag. Wash your fingers when handling the bag as serious injury maker. Keep away from children.
Yeah!
Hello and welcome back. Today we have Gage here. How you doing, Gage?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
That's good.
I'm just going to talk to you about your products, your sweaters, your shirts, anything like that, and you're going to do a demo of it.
All right.
I'm going to start off with a question.
All right.
What got you into making clothing and fashion?
When I was younger, I started modeling and being around clothing and different types of styles and stuff. It kind of inspired me to make my own clothing, and yeah.
When did you first meet CEO Curtis?
I met Curtis a long while ago on the side of the road, but he's been helping me ever since. Yeah.
Tell me about your first piece of clothing that you designed.
This is the first piece of clothing I ever designed. It's a very minimal, fuck me, little design. It's like, yeah, it's comfortable, it's nice.
What aesthetic were you going for with this design?
Casual, not too tight, not too baggy, just a nice casual sweater.
Was there any brands that sort of influenced your designs and got you into fashion?
Yeah, Off-White mainly inspired me. Yeah, their type of designs.
Tell me about your new piece. Show us.
This is the new piece. It's a long sleeve, thin hoodie type shirt. The rose design didn't come out the way I wanted it to. It's the wrong color. But yeah, it's not bad. We just gotta fix it up.
What other designs or ideas do you have in your mind that you want to produce?
I want to get more, like, I want to do a couple more roses. I want to just experiment with different shapes and stuff and get them looking good on a shirt.
How much does it cost generally to make a batch of shirts?
They're like $11.50 a piece, so, and if you get them in large numbers, it all depends. Usually around $350 to $400 for 100 shirts.
What do you plan on selling your sweaters for?
I plan on selling them for 55 to 60. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's a fair price.
Does CEO Curtis assist you with any of your designs and thought process on any of your designs?
Yeah, he does. He helps out pick designs and whatnot. The crew helps pick designs. Yeah.
Where do you send them and how do you produce them, the designs?
Oh, we
We're gonna have to stop.
all right.
Sorry about that. If you want to check out more about Gage's clothing line, go to www.34thstreet.com. I'm Nolan, and thank you for watching.